Because it's going to cloud up tomorrow, Michael.
Yeah, enjoy the blue sky because the traffic on the ground didn't look like it's moving too fast out there today. All right, we did have high temperatures today, which managed to get up around 60 degrees, mid to low 60s in a few spots. Overall, pretty close to average, a little on the cool side, but wow, all that sunshine out there. So what's on our radar? Well, tonight, not much going on. Clouds will thicken up. That's about it. Now, we do have some showers tomorrow, but really those are just all they're going to be, kind of hit or miss stuff. The real rain shows up on Thursday. And the weekend, looking ahead, it's looking like we're going to be actually warming things up. So the trend is a warming trend as we head toward the weekend. So nothing going on right now. You see our rainmaker is way out here to the west, and it really isn't that organized yet, but it will gather some strength as it starts moving this direction. And that's why I say there's going to be some rain as we head for Thursday. In the meantime, tonight, it's increasing clouds, still cool, not as chilly as it was last night. Lows tonight 40 to 48 degrees. And then tomorrow, well, it's going to be a mostly cloudy day, not mostly sunny like we get to enjoy today. There will be a few sunny breaks, but there'll also be a few showers, hit or miss stuff. Best chances in western Mass. Kind of breezy though, 58 to 64. So a lot like today temperature wise, but not as quite a blue sky as we got to enjoy today. So what are the rain chances? Well, as we look ahead tomorrow, it's only about a 20% chance. That's why I say it's kind of hit or miss stuff. Thursday is your best chance for rain into early Friday morning, and then we'll clear it away as we head toward the weekend. So as far as the impact weather is concerned, it's really the rain is likely. Heavy at times as we look at Thursday. And the steadiest looks like it'll be more toward the evening into early Friday morning. And still, as I mentioned, clearing in time for the weekend. So here's the rainmaker coming in. And this is going to be on Thursday morning. So Thursday morning, we've got some scattered showers that are out there. And then Thursday afternoon into the evening, it really starts to blossom up. So that Thursday evening commute likely is going to be slow. And if you have Thursday night plans, you better have an umbrella with you as well. And then on Friday morning, we're still dealing with some showers early in the day, a little bit of clearing late into the day. So when we add it all up, how much rain are we talking about? Well, it looks like some places are going to get pretty close to an inch, maybe an inch and a half of rain out of it. We could use this rain. We have been very dry. We're over a half foot dry already for, the year, and we're only talking about the month of May so far. So some rainy weather would really be welcome. Now, there is a big bubble of hot air that's been building out to the west for the last several weeks. Finally, that bubble is going to start moving in our direction, which is why we're going to be warming things up. So I do think we're going to be near 80 degrees as we start to talk about Sunday and Monday's forecast, a much warmer forecast. And you'll notice what happens. We stay kind of cool with the gray skies, the showers going on. Friday's a little bit cooler at 58 degrees. Showers come to an end. And then once they go away, look what happens. The temperatures start warming up. 74 to 78, even warmer down the road. And we could use the rain, as I mentioned. Most of the country is looking pretty dry out there right now, the exception being over the Midwest, where they've had a lot of thunderstorms lately. All right, here's the way it looks then over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, well, it's a few showers out there, but your real rain event is going to be on Thursday. And I really think it's going to be more late into the day on Thursday, say toward the evening commute and going into Friday morning. Friday's a little cooler with a chance of showers out there. And then look what happens. The sun comes out. Saturday and Sunday, we warm mid-70s, upper 70s, headed towards the low 80s next week. It does get a little unsettled toward the middle of next week, which is why there's a chance of some thunderstorms next Tuesday. But overall, you get the idea. It's going to be warming up very nicely out there. Again, temperatures generally into the mid-70s this weekend, and some welcome rain as we get closer to the week. We have that rain going on with us all the way until we get to the weekend. Ben and Jessica?